In front of me is the LENOVO Tab K11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, go into Settings and scroll a tiny bit to tap on this section called Display. Now scroll again, this time to click on Font Size and Text, Display Size and Text, over here. And operate this slider under Font Size to adjust it. You can check out Preview at the top. So when I do that and go back, I can see that size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!